As we get closer to the falls, you can hear people screaming. I think they're just being silly.
I heard that.
What'd you hear?
You're gonna push me in.
No, I didn't say that.
You did?
No, I didn't.
You did. I think you did.
What are we doing? We're in a wet spot.
Sorry.
No, you're good. They didn't tell us it was that deep right there.
I'm too short for this. Okay. Hey, you guys didn't know.
It's pretty deep. You can't touch when you get out or off of the slide. So I would definitely recommend this trip. I thought it was going to be like a one little water slide, but then they kept bringing us down more and more. This being one of the last. Very cool. Damajauga in the Dominican Republic.